Okay, Bolo Buddies, it is time for some Christmas mystery boxes. Here we go. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. All right, mystery box time. Let's get this open. This is a $7 Christmas mystery box. And there's a pillow on top. And I originally thought that I was going to list that. And then I decided that I have so much inventory that I donated it to the thrift store. This box, I think, had a lot. I think it was kind of a dud. I did believe I listed this. If I haven't yet, I'm going to. The Little Boyd's figurines, you know, they're bread and butter. I haven't sold a lot of them, so I'm not sure how they're going to do, to be honest with you. I do pretty good with Boyd's Bear plush, so I'm going to just price them competitively to try to move them. These are just bulbs, Christmas ornaments. I donated those back. I don't need ornaments, and as far as putting them in my store, the prices of the items originally were not high enough to warrant putting them in my eBay store, if that makes sense. So I just went ahead and donated those items back. And here's the next box. Sorry, I'm holding the phone. In the future videos, I'm using the tripod so that I'm not holding the phone to give you guys a better view. This was kind of in the beginning when I was first getting them and still trying to figure out the best method. So I apologize, it's kind of close. This is a picture and it lights up. And I thought that I had my camera turned, but maybe I didn't. So hopefully it gets better here. If not, the next box should be better. Most of this stuff got donated. This was like a manger nativity scene, and it was cute, but it retailed for $19.99, and it would have been a pain to ship. So I went ahead and donated that. And a lot of these items would have been great garage sale items, but I just do not have the time to coordinate a garage sale. I was thinking I could just put stuff in boxes and let people dig through them and just say make offer. But then I was like, no, I don't want to do that either. So this is a blueberry scented Bath and Body Works candle, and I love their candles, and blueberry is my favorite scent. I did look those up, and they're going for about $20 to $25 on eBay. So I feel pretty good about the purchase just because of that one candle. So even though I didn't find a lot of great stuff in this box, that candle was a winner and I am keeping it. So that candle pretty much paid for my boxes. And yeah, I don't know if I can turn the view. Bummer. I'll see if I can fix that after I do the voiceover. Maybe I can get the angle better. And I thought about listing this. It was just a little tea light candle holder, and I had it to the side, and I was like, I'm going to list it. And then I was like, no, I'm not. So I donated that back. Also, it's got a little Yankee candle in it. I did pull that out, and I think the scent was like cotton or something like that. And this is just stationery, but it was not new. It wasn't sealed. It wasn't vintage. So I went ahead and donated that back. And more Christmas ornaments that got donated back. This is a little Longenberger ornament. I believe I kept that to the side. A lot of times I will bundle small like ornaments together, and I haven't decided. I need to look up comparables on that. This little doll is a tree topper, which again you cannot see. and it's really cute. It was a branded, can't remember the brand, but I looked it up, and it's somebody who makes dolls. And here, this is really bad. Let me see if I can change the angle. Okay, let's see if that helped. I'm not sure. Oh, there I am. Hello. So that's a mirror. I donated that back. It does seem a little bit better. I'll have to go back and watch this section and see if it fixed the other part that was hard to see. So that's a Santa hat. I thought about listing that and then just donated it. So these boxes, you know, they were kind of a miss, but overall I've been really, really happy with the mystery boxes. They're a lot of fun. They're great content for the channel. I don't know about you, but I feel like it's fun to watch people dig through mystery boxes. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Please let me know in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate that. And I'm sure some of this stuff that I'm like, oh, I donated it. Oh my, gotta fix that. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. So I had to change my settings again for the view. So this did work. And we're gonna go on to the next box. And this one I think was 7. Lots and lots of mystery boxes. Let's get her open, see what we got. And they just pull the boxes, you know, from whatever's there. So I have no idea what that writing means. It's probably just how it got donated. I can't remember what's in this box. I did this like a week ago, and I'm just now doing the voiceover. It's been crazy. I've been so busy. I'm sure you guys understand, just trying to get all your inventory listed and, you know, just working really hard. I ended some items in my eBay store, and I'm trying to take them off of multi-quantity and change them to single quantity, not single, multi-quantity. No, that's not the word I'm looking for. So you have one listing and there's a bunch of different sizes. Is that what it's called? Anyway, so if I have one bra and I have 6 different sizes, I had them all under one listing, and I felt like that was not something I wanted to try and do them as single listings. So I ended all the listings, and I'm working on getting them updated and relisted and then cross-posted. And I cross-post everything with List Perfectly. If you guys are not using List Perfectly and you want to sell on multiple platforms, it is an amazing, amazing tool. And if you're interested, I have a video on it. It's like a demo video that teaches you how to cross-post using List Perfectly. And there's a coupon code you can use. It's bolobuddies, and it's all one word. And you just put that in when you sign up, and you'll get 30% off your first month, which is awesome. But if you haven't seen my video, go check it out if you're interested in cross-posting your items to other platforms. And if you guys check out my what sold videos, you'll see I have what sold on Poshmark, what sold on Mercari. I have one video of what sold on Etsy. It's a slower platform for me, but I feel like I get good margins. My profits are good on Etsy. People can't make offers. They just buy it at the price you have it listed at. So I just cross-post it, and if somebody buys it, it's just a plus. This box had a lot of stuff that I threw away. Just some of it most of it I donated, but I should say some of it I threw away. And I'm kind of rambling tonight, so I apologize, you guys. And, you know, it may have been like good crafters items. I did pull out these red candles. I haven't decided if I'm going to list them or not. I may just end up donating them back. I don't know really how much value they have. So this tree topper, I donated. The other tree topper that you saw earlier, I did end up listing that. I think I got cut off. I interrupted myself when I was telling you about that. It is a artist or doll maker or whatever you call them that had decent comps on some of her dolls, and I didn't see any tree toppers made by her, so I went ahead and listed that. So I'm kind of hoping for the best, and I'm hoping that that will help pay for these boxes because, to be honest, I didn't dig a whole lot of goodies out of these. They were kind of duds. Not awful. Still a great value for what I paid for them. Just nothing that I was really excited about. Like, oh, I found a bolo. You know, it's always exciting to find a treasure. So let's see. I'm trying to remember if there was anything else that I listed. I kept the candle. I listed the angel. I was thinking there was like a few more things. I did keep, sorry, my hand is in front of the camera. I did keep some of the ornaments. Oh, I remember. I'm trying to get this tin open. That's what I'm doing. And maybe I come back to it. That's a party light house, which is direct sales, I do believe. And I thought about listing it, but I looked up comps and they weren't that great. And it's, you know, hard to ship. Not hard to ship, but I'm not a big fan of shipping breakables. So unless it's great, I just kind of pass. Except for my brown drip pottery, which most of you, if you follow my channel, know about that. But I've actually done okay with the brown drip. Okay, here's down in, oh, I didn't show it. So there's these little clips, and I don't know, you put like a little candle down inside of them, which I think is so weird. Like, are you going to put a candle with a flame on it and clip it to like your tree? That does not make sense. So I don't really know what they're used for, but they're cute. I am going to list them, and maybe somebody can do like arts and crafts with them, or maybe you guys can enlighten me with what they are if I end up showing them. I think I show them. So this is some vintage tinsel, or icicles, tinsel, I don't know. And I did hold on to that. I think I'm going to lot it up with some ornaments. And again, a garage sale would probably be the way to go. But it would be like, come to my garage sale. Everything is Christmas. And you guys know how it is when you go to garage sales. Like, most people aren't shopping for Christmas in the summer. Okay, here's the little clips. So it's like a clip. And then you put a little candle on the top. Whoopsie. Yeah, there's the candles. But those went in the trash because they were broken. But kind of interesting. Definitely vintage. All right, here's the next box. I can't remember how many boxes I had. I think we're getting close. I can't get the box open, guys. Yeah, I think I just cut myself. Definitely works better when I have the tripod holding it's actually my ring light. But when it holds my phone, it's so much better. So future videos will have that. Okay, maybe today I will get the box open. I know you guys can't wait to see what's inside. I can't remember what this one had in it, so I'm watching it back with you guys. All right. I think this was a lot of donate back also. Again, not bad stuff, just not margins that I felt were worth listing. And these little candles actually had a remote, which is kind of fun. But I donated them back. They were pretty cute. I don't know. I mean, maybe it could have been a bread and butter item, but at this point in time, like I said, with all the inventory I have to be a little bit choosy, picky. Ornaments. I did check those. They were not shiny bright. The shiny bright ornaments can do okay, depending, but they can be a bolo in some cases. I think that's brass. I did put that to the side. I might just throw it in with some ornaments. Little stocking, it's cute. Donated it. I did list these on Mercari because I plugged them in. They were new in the box. It'll be a major bread and butter item, but it was easy. This is a little Boyd's Bear. I am going to list that. Like I said, I do pretty good with Boyd's Bear. I put that with the ornaments. So it's just a hodgepodge of Christmas stuff. think that said Big Lots on it, but that's okay. You know, that's the remote for the flameless candle. Pretty crazy. Like, that's cute. Like, if somebody wants to make like a little gift basket or something, but as far as reselling it, no. This was kind of cute too, but again, probably not a high-end item, probably not something expensive. And I did keep the ornaments. This was, like, they took newspaper and wrapped stuff around it. This box may have come directly from a garage sale. Like, you know how people box their stuff up at the end of the garage sale and they donate it? It may have been, like, just in this box, and they took it to the store, and then the store just put mystery box on it. You know what I mean? So, yeah, these could have been the leftovers from a garage sale. Very well could be. A lot of leftovers from garage sales go to thrift stores. And again, just donated. You should see how much I've been donating. They probably think like I'm nuts. I was going to list this. I think I ended up putting it in the donate pile. It's a candle. It's cool, but I just didn't want to mess with it. And I thought about it for a few days. Again, I'm pulling aside the ornaments, and I'll probably put those in just a big bundle. Those were cute little bells. I put those with the ornaments. A little lamb. Aw, little lamb. Cute, cute. And I donated that back. It's just like a little wall hanging. It's kind of weird and random. These were new with tags, but they did not appeal to me, so I just donated them back. This was like a little cross-stitch thing, but it was not complete, so I donated it back. So most of these boxes were donate back. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.